Hello guys, you're welcome once again to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about navigating the TradingView platform. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, make sure you do so and turn on the notification button. Let's progress. First thing to do, open your browser, then type in TradingView. TradingView.com, that's all. Then you're going to see this man. You may see him facing you, you may see him facing the other side. Then you scroll down to the end part. You see this part is called product. The first on the product is called super chart. Click on the super chart. This is how it's going to appear because I'm not logged in. Two things that you can do. Number one, you can decide to log in, or if you don't have an account with them yet, you can decide to join. So if you want to join, you either join through your Gmail, if you have Gmail, or through Facebook, or use your email or Twitter account or Yahoo or LinkedIn or your Apple account. All right, but I have an account with them, so I'm going to be signing in through my Google. I'm going to be using my personal account. So you see, I already have these stuffs here set up, but let me not use that. So today I'm going to be telling us the whole navigation around TradingView. Okay, the whole navigation around TradingView. There are 5 components that I'll be treating with us today, that I'll be teaching us today. 5 components. Okay, so we've spoken about how to sign up or how to log in. So the 5 components we have, they are the top menu. That's all the menu at the top here. The second one is the left menu. Look at it here, the left hand side menu. All these guys, all of them, all the left hand side menu, all of them, right? The third one is the bottom menu. You can see this 1 day, 5 days, 1 month, 3 months, blah 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 blah, all the bottom menu. Then number 4 is the right hand menu. You see notifications, okay, you see market watch list, you see alarm, you see window data, you see object tree and all that, all of them here. Then number 5 is the chart itself, the space of the chart itself. So this is the 5 tests we're going to be doing, covering in this short class. First and first, you see this place here where there is name. Once you are logged in, it is your own alphabet that will appear here. This is AA James. That's why it's having A at the beginning. Now the next one here, this is the symbol. Whatever symbol you want to search. If you want to search USD card, you see it. USD card of different types of brokers that are on TradingView. Okay, you see it here, different brokers on TradingView. I don't want to click it. If I click it, it will go straight to my own settings, but I want to teach you how to really do this particular settings. All right, so that's it. Then this one, if you want to combine 2 assets together, this is Apple, right? Let's say you want to check Apple with S&P 500, what is going on with the stocks, United States stocks. Okay, you are going to add, you just click on the plus sign. By the time you click on the plus sign, see S&P 500, anything you want to check together, you understand? Let's say you want to check how Euro USD is doing with GBP USD, you can just come to that place, click on it and check. So let's just say S&P 500. I've clicked on it, it comes out as what? As a line chart. So if I switch this also to line chart, you see, so Apple, which is on the top, is the blue. S&P 500, which is below, is the what? Is this red or green? Whatever the color is. Okay, so now I can check them. Wow, when this guy is doing this, this one is doing this, so I can check at this point they were together at this. You understand? So but for now we don't need it, so we're going to delete this and we're going to go back to our candle. So then the next one is this area. Now this is how it's supposed to come. Let me remove all this. So this is how it's supposed to come. Let's see, hours. This is what you're going to have. D means daily. So how would you now add all those time frames? You click on it, you should have 1 hour on it, any hour you want to have, but some hours and some minutes will not come because this is a free version. If it's a paid version, you can even have 22 minutes, you can have seconds. So 1 hour can go, 4 hours can go, then 1 day, then we have 1 month, okay, then we have 1 week. All right, so sometimes we do 30 minutes too. You can do 30 minutes, okay, you can do 15 minutes, you can do 5 minutes, and you can do 1 minute. So you see, I click this guy and I see them. So if I remove this arrow, sorry, this remove from favorite. So you see, anyone you want to add, you click on it and you add it. This only tells you about the time frame on your chart. Right now, this guy is daily, 1D. This is daily. But now, if I want to change it to 4 hours chart, I'll just change it. I'll just click on 4 hours. Okay, this is how it will appear, right? So what you can do, just come here, click on X, delete it. So you see, you have removed it. We are done with this guy. You know, we have types of charts. This is candlesticks. This is line chart. This is bar chart. If you click this one, this arrow, it will bring you all the types of charts. You see, you have area charts. You have step line. You have hollow candles. You have Heikin-Ashi candle. Renko charts. You have Renko chart. Okay, I can't use Renko chart on intraday. That's why they are telling me I have to upgrade. So automatically it switched the Renko chart to daily for me because I can't use it. This is Renko chart. So, but the most popular one that we use is Japanese candlesticks. You just type whatever indicator you want. Let's say you want Bollinger Band. You type it BOLL. All the things that has to do with Bollinger will come out. If you click on it once, it will appear. So you would have to close this. Then come to the settings. These settings here, you now start adjusting your settings. The same thing. Anything you want to add. Let's say you want to add that RSI that we normally use for divergence. RSI. See it. Click on it. It will just appear. You have to close this guy. Then let me change it to the normal settings so that you see it. This is how it will come originally. This is the RSI. That's how it's going to come originally. If you don't want to be doing all these things, typing in. What you can do is just once you click on it, all right, once you type it in, then click on the star, it will now add to favorite. So by doing that, it will be in this arrow in front. This arrow is a list of all my favorite indicators that I use. So you see them here. Instead of typing it here, I'll just find all of them here. Look at the stochastic, look at the RSI. Do you understand? This is how to add your indicators to your favorite, so that by the time you just click on the arrow, all the indicators you have added will just show. You don't need to start typing again, which is very stressful. The next one is if you have indicators on your chart and you also don't want to be removing it, adding it back. For example, now look at this. I have 2 indicators here, this one here and this one here. So but if I don't want the indicator, I don't want the 2 of them, I want a naked chart, and I now remove it. I remove it. I'm now analyzing. If I want to add the indicator again, I will now start going back to go and add the indicator MACD4C. No, those ones, they are stressful. So what you just do is, once you have the indicators on, you just go and save. See it here, save indicator template. But I think it's only 1 template or 2 that you can save for free version. The best that you can get out of TradingView is when you have the paid version. Then alert, you have 1 alert for a free version. How do you want to set the alert? You see it? So we want it to ring at 179, so we can change it here. 179. All right. So you see, it has gone to 179. So by the time price crosses 179, you see it, Apple crossing 179, it will ring, green. Let me see if we can go to 1 minute. Good. So now let's bring this alert. Let's bring this alert here. You see it, guys? You see it? It has crossed, and it's also showing on my phone because I have TradingView on my phone. So that's how you do it. Replay only works on daily, weekly, and monthly. If it's a free version. If it's a paid version, replay will work on all the time frames, including minutes. But right now, we can only use it on daily. Let's say this is how the replay works. All right, replay is going to cut all these things as if it has not happened. See it? That's replay. See it, bar? It has cleared everything as if it has not happened. Then look, come down here. All right, you have the speed. If you click on 1x, market will just be going normally. See it? If you do 3x, market will go times 3. If you go 10x, market will just be going brrr. And if you reduce it to 0.5x, market will be going very slow. So that is just replay. Replay is for you to just do back testing. Then if you want to get out of this mode, you want to see the current price, just come and click X. Cancel. Do you want to exit bar replay mode? Yes. So then it will take you back to the original price or the current price. Next one is, look at this, it's just undo, Control Z. All right, that's just all, Control Z, whatever. If you add a lot of things, just Control Z, undo. That's undo is Control Z. Then this guy here is a chart layout. This is one chart layout. If you want this screen to split into two, you want to see GBP USD on one side, AUD USD on the other side, or you want to see gold on one side, you want to see another asset on the other side, that's what you're going to do. See, you're going to click it, this two. But you cannot click it because it's not a paid version. See it, you have to pay. See it. You can even have 4 charts. See it, oh guys. You can have 4 charts. You can even have up to, let me even check it. See, up to 16, yes, you can have up to 16. That this is for those who are in the banks that use multiple screen. Then you see this guy here beside the camera is for you to have a full screen. You don't want all these guys to be here, all these things. You don't want them to be a full screen. Click it. See, full screen, full screen. If you want to go back, just drag your mouse to the top. It will give you this X. You click X. Shortcut is Shift F. That's a shortcut on your keyboard. Shift F. If you click on Shift F again, it will come back. Shift F is a shortcut for you to expand this. Shift F. Shift F. Alright? Now look at this. This is if you want to take a screenshot. Alright, you can decide to download image. Copy image, you just paste the image. You will see the image. But copy link, it will copy this link so that when you click on the link, it will bring you to this page. They are the same thing, but when you are backtesting, you cannot place an image. Okay, let me even do something. Let's copy the image. Now let's go and drop the image here. Paste. You see how it appears? This is copy image. But now look at copy link. You see it will appear down here that I have copied the link. Let's drop it. Paste. Guys, you see it? You see the two, right? So one is copy image, the other one is copy link. So now I can come here and click on this guy. Look at it. When we click on it, you see it will open the image for us. So this publish, that is if you want to share your idea with the TradingView community. So now this is all about the top menu. Now let's talk about something else. The left hand side menu. Now look at this. If you click on, if you notice all of them, there are little arrows in the front. You see my mouse is cross. If I want dot, see it has changed to dots. Arrow, it has changed to arrow. And if it is eraser, it has changed to eraser. Anyone that you want. For me, I prefer the cross. Look at this now. You see all these tools here. Let me even remove them so that you will see. Good. You see that you are not seeing anything here. If you want to draw line, you have to come here. You see this place? Don't click on the line. Click on the arrow. It will bring all the options of the lines out. You have to click on the line before you now draw it. Then, if you want to draw another one, you now come back here again. Still click on another one, look for it, now draw it like that. It takes time. So what you can do, come here, all right, star it. You see it has appeared on your chart. If you remove the star, it will disappear. If you click on it, it has appeared. These are the ones you need: trend line, horizontal line, number 3, horizontal ray, number 4, vertical line. That's all you need on lines. Click outside, that's all you need. Then come to the next one. The next one is what? Fibonacci retracement. Click on it, star it. It has been added. That's all. There's a lot that is here, but we don't need it in this strategy. Remember that TradingView is not meant for you alone. It's meant for all the traders in the world. You understand? And there are thousands and thousands of strategy. This particular Fibonacci, we will use it for both retracement and extension. The next one, this one is pattern. If you want to do harmonic pattern, but we are not doing that. For example, now let me say this is an harmonic pattern here. Now look at this now. This thing that looks like butterfly. I'm sure maybe you have seen this in some forex videos. You understand? So this is an harmonic pattern. So if we're using that, we would have added it, but we are not using any of this. This is my long position or short position. When you click the arrow, also long position is if you want to buy. This is for you to know your risk to reward. You click on the arrow, it has been added. You see it has been added. click on the short one, it has been added. That's all you need. When we get deeper, we might be using maybe these ones, ghost pattern and bar field. You don't need this. These are very complex matters. You can take from here to here. It's going to mimic, see, the same shape. It mimicked it. You can take it to project like this. This is for projection and for analysis. It's just like you are trying to tell somebody that when price gets to this place, in case price gets here, okay, you now cut out of the candle that is here. You cut it and you now post it here. So that's just how it looks like. All right. So but we don't need it. The next one is the geometric shapes. Brush. What is brush? Brush is this. You can use it to draw anything. Highlighter, you want to use it to highlight. You understand? You want to use it to highlight. You know how highlighter is, but we don't need that. Arrow marker, you understand? Arrow marker. From here, this guy, it's up to you. Do you want it? If you don't need it, fine. Arrow, I need arrow. I will add arrow. Mark up or mark down, it depends. Rectangle, I need rectangle. Ellipse, I need ellipse. Polyline, I need polyline. Path, I need path. That's all I need. So, but you can play around it. Don't just depend on what I'm sharing here. This is basics of TradingView, because man, look at this. How I labeled all these guys. Not really complex, but like it's not for today's class. It's advanced. Ellipse. Look at it. Click. It's like a line, right? It's not a line. You have to click the second place. You now expand. You don't click to expand though. You just click the first and the second place. If you want to cycle this place, just click the first place, click the second place, that's all. Then shift your mouse. Once you are okay, click it again. It will disappear. Sorry, it will leave it alone. Right? The next one is text. You want to write. That's it. The text. Then look at other. So we need this text. Let's add it here. Look at other forms of text. Anchor text, note text. Now, look at something. You see this text is going everywhere. It has disappeared. It's going everywhere. But if you want to write something on your screen and you don't want it to disappear, you are going to do an anchor text. It's a finish. So you see, no matter what happens, it is anchored on the chart, except you move it. It's anchored on the charts. So notes and so call out. This is call out. I want to label this guy here. And all right. So you just explore, and explore. All right. Hope it's making sense. Then the next one is this icon. A lot of items. Now sometimes you can just draw. We'll now tell her, this is liquidity. There's money here. So if there's money, a market can come up and take out this place. So we'll now click on this one. We'll now put money here. Put dollar sign. So that's where we get it from. If I tell you, I'm looking at this place to sell from here, and I put my eye like this. I want to sell in this place. What will I put? I'll just check here and look at this eye. I'll just put this eye here. Means sky. So I can now put this one and snap this chart and send it. When I see this chart, I know what it means, that you are looking to sell in this place. That's what it means. You don't need to write anything on it. Now you're looking to sell, and why? Because there's a liquidity here and there's a supply zone here. So your eye, now here you won't sell, you they eye this place. You understand? That's what it means. Then ruler, this one does not have any arrow in front. It doesn't have any arrow in front. So this is to know the number of pips and the duration. So if you take it from here to here now, this is 5,000 pips. It's 5,000 or 537 pips. All right. This is point. It took how many days? 137 days, then 93 bars. When you click anywhere, it will disappear. Then this one is zoom in. See it? You see, it has zoomed in. Let's say you want to see what kind of thing happened here that made this guy to go up. Let's check it. You now click on this zoom in. So where do you want to? This area is where you want to zoom in. Click on it, extend it, then release it. It will zoom in that place. Oh, it was a bullish engulfing candle. This is how you get to know. So by that, it has already shifted the whole market. So you can now come here, see this guy here, reset the chart. It has reset everything. Okay, you have a zoom out. All right, you have zoom out, you have zoom in, you have zoom in. All right, you have zoom out. That's it. Then this guy is if you want to, you don't need that for now, but if you want to put magnet, you want your lines to be snapped on the next immediate angle. You get. Now this is, I want to stay in drawing mode. I don't want to be going and clicking this guy. I'll go back and click again. I'll go back and click again. I'll go back. No, anything I click, I want to remain in the drawing mode. I'll just click this guy, pencil. It has locked the pencil. See it. If I draw this guy, you understand? It's not like this one. No, see that me, I can move up and down. But this one, I can't move up and down like that. If I want to draw another thing here, you understand? Simple. I want to draw another thing like this, you understand? Anything I want to draw, you get. So this is how this guy works. Because why? It is in drawing mode. See, anything I'm drawing. But these two guys here, it has to be line along. Anything I want to draw, I'm in the draw mode. I am in the drawing mode. So I won't have to be clicking them again. I'm in the draw mode until I uncheck it. You understand? If all these things, as I'm walking, maybe as I'm walking, I want to check this candle, my hand now mistakenly touches. You know, it happens. You now start trying to put it back. So you want to lock all the drawings that is on your chart. You want to lock it. This is what you do. Look at it. Lock. You see, you have locked it. You have locked this guy. Nothing can move it again. You have locked the whole chart. You see it? Any drawing on the chart, you have locked it. But if you want to lock only one thing, click on that one thing and lock it. So I locked only this one. See, I can't move it again. But I can move other ones. But I've locked this one. The final one is this. You want to hide everything. Hide. So maybe your drawings are too much. You just want to see it clearly what's going on. You understand? So this is it. You have hidden it, you see? So you want to hide the drawing. You want to hide the indicator. You want to hide your position and order. You want to hide all. Just hide all. Then if you want to delete everything, you want to delete all the drawings. You want to delete indicator alone. You want to delete both the drawings and indicators. So that's it. So we have been able to cover the top menu and the side menu. This is go to. If you want to go to somewhere, like you want to check a particular date, and that's what you do. Then the main thing is this right hand here and inside the chart. So those are the two places that are remaining. All right. So guys, thank you very much for today. We have come to the end of Navigating TradingView part 1. I would call this part 1. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, remember to do so and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified when videos are being uploaded. Thank you very much. Once again, my name is A.A. James, the senior trader and financial analyst of Dazzly FX. If skin no fool, Comot body.